this day just got super exciting. My friend Ian is gonna make cocktails, and I'm wondering, do you shake an old fashioned or?
Nope, you build an old fashioned in a glass.
Okay.
It's a built cocktail. It's classic, one of the most classic cocktails from the United States that you can come across. So first things first, we need some sugar.
Okay, I'll get the sugar.
So get the sugar out. Just a teaspoon, just a small, not too much, just like amount of a sugar cube.
Okay, there's sugar.
So what you do is you just like put that in the bottom of the glass. Then your next step is you take an orange and you peel it over the glass.
Okay.
To get the zest in there. Then give it.
Oh, so you want the oils and the flavor from the orange.
That is the key to the orange.
Oh, beautiful.
And then let's do one for you, one for me, one for our director over there. Who's behind the camera.
Yeah, this day just got real fun.
When you're doing this in the light, you see the little spritz of oils coming off of that.
Yes, gorgeous.
And then next step is you get any kind of aromatic bitters that you want. You can also use walnut bitters or, whatever bitters you want really, but the traditional is the aromatic bitters. So you just give it a couple dashes of that, and you just kind of get the oil out even more. And
so you just do a little muddling.
A little muddler. It's a muddler, that's what it's called.
Yeah.
You do a little muddling, kind of incorporate the orange into the sugar and the bitters into the orange and the sugar.
So the sugar starts to dissolve in the bitters and the orange oil.
Yep.
Yum.
Yeah. And then.
Oh my God, that smells so good.
Smells so good. This is my favorite cocktail of all time. Is old fashioned. I grew up in the bar industry, cut my teeth in the nightclubs of Seattle, and had my own restaurant for a while with a full bar, and we really focused on bourbon cocktails. It was the thing in the early 2010s. So then next step is you're gonna want to put the ice in.
Okay. Perfect. So do you fill the glass all the way to the top with ice? Okay, perfect. We had a great summer, and this was our first year where we had a liquor license.
Nice.
So we had a big year with.
So a little bit more fun this summer than last summer.
Yes, you could say that.
All right, looks good. So then you just measure out 2.5 ounces of bourbon. This is Four Roses. This is one of my favorites. She happened to have that downstairs. Luckily, just happened to be one of my favorite bourbons of all time. And one more for our director
and
over
then
there.
We are going to add coffee to this, right?
Yeah, and then we're going to put a smidge of coffee in there and
I'm
just
so
boost
excited
it up.
to taste it with the coffee. That's going to make it's going to be wonderful.
Yeah. So espresso martinis are all the rage. So I've been messing around with other recipes, and I just put just 0.25 ounces of Dreamy coffee in there.
So that's the concentrate.
Yeah, this is the concentrate. So it's literally half an ounce of cold brew, but 2.25 of concentrate. So there we go. And then the next step is you always got to stir your old fashions to incorporate all the flavors. You get that orange and sugar off the bottom.
All right, I'm going to give this a try while you're doing the other two.
For sure.
Because I can't wait.
Let's see how it goes.
Oh, that is yummy.
Really? Mm-hmm. Good.
It definitely doesn't taste like a Thursday morning. I can tell you that.
Well, it might start tasting like a Thursday morning from now on.
Oh, that is so yummy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me. Oh yeah. Whew. Tasty.